So this is the mask what we have 3D printed here at Fab Lab. So you can see that the mask, this is the full cover. Onto this full cover we are having this as the filter which we are going to use here. You can see here, we can fix it like this. So this is how it is being fixed, and then here you can see the gap here. So you can see this gap. On this gap you have to fix the filters, that is the filter what you have designed. So those filter which is made up of cloth, a different type of cloth, I will be coming to that point later. You have to fix it onto this, so it will come something like this. So you can see that this filter will come here, and this is the covering for this mask. So it will come like this, something like this it will come. So this is fixed here, and this is fixed here like this. You can see here it's fixed, yeah, and then it will come onto the, so this is defined particularly for the nose here and the opening of the mouth here. So you can see, and you can fix it here like this. So this is, it will come something like this, and after this you can fix it with the thread here. Elastic thread is there, so here one opening is here, so you can fix it by using this elastic thread here, and then you can tie it onto the head like this. So this is how it is coming perfectly like this. So in this case, what is the advantage is that this is made up of a PLA, so we can actually reuse this mask again and again. Not like a normal mask we have to one time use. It is like we can reuse it again and again. And now I would like to come to this, how we are making the filter for this. So you can see that this filter is coming here somewhere. It is fixed here onto this gap, and we can fix it like this. So there is a filtering here also. You can fix it something like this. You can see. So a perfect fixing is coming here. Then it's like this. Now here coming to the paper the cloth what we are designing for, this is something like this. So here we are trying to crack the N95 mask. N95 mask, if you can see, it's having the 4 different layers. So 4 different layers means we are having the 4 different layers of filtering. So we say that this is all the clothes what we have used here, it is actually soaked in the citric acid, and after soaking it in the citric acid, so as you are aware that citric acid, any citric acid material like vinegar or the lemon water which we are using it is actually the best for the filtering purpose, because it will act like something. When we are using the citric acid, you can use this as the separator. So basically this all the paper clothes what we are using here is soaked in the citric acid and it is dried. Now you can see here that the first layer what we are going to use is the normal layer. So with this again of citric acid is a normal layer. So it is just a filter what we are going to use. The second layer what we are going to use is the electrostatic non-woven layer filter. Electrostatic non-woven layer filter, which filters out the particles for blocking the contaminants. So this is the second layer what we are going to use. Then the third layer is the polypropylene layer, which absorbs the moisture from moisture vapor from air. You can use the spun bound or the multi-blown clothes for making this. So whatever the water vapor moisture is there, that can, while inhaling and exhaling, will be absorbed by using this. And again this is citric mixed soaked in the citric acid, and we are going to use this for drying this. The next layer, that is the third layer what we are going to use is the I told about the third layer. The fourth layer what we are going to use is the layer which possesses the antiviral activity. It blocks the influenza virus. It is anti-new COVID, anti-dust, anti-fogging material, but we are going to use this. So like this we are having the 4 different layers. Now these 4 different layers, each layers are glue sticked, and we can make it like this. So we can glue stick this like this. Each layer we can glue stick it. We can glue stick it, and we can stick it like this. So what is happening is that we are sticking it, or you can stitch it also. That is also one way we can use it. Now after doing this, you have to make it, you have to dry this, and then this will come something like this. Then you can use this, you can remove this, you can put this here. So exactly if you want, you can cut it into that form, and then fix this here. So you can see it is perfect, and then use